When it comes to keeping your devices charged on the go, the Baseus Magnetic Power Bank is the ultimate travel companion. Welcome to your place for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity Technology, and before moving ahead, do subscribe and hit the bell icon for regular updates. The Baseus Magnetic Power Bank offers the perfect solution. This MagSafe compatible battery pack attaches effortlessly to your iPhone 15, providing a speedy 7.5-watt magnetic wireless charge. Say goodbye to misalignment frustration. The built-in strong magnets keep the power bank securely in place, preventing slips and ensuring a hassle-free charging experience. Need a quick power boost? The 20-watt USB-C port on this power bank has you covered. It allows you to fast charge your iPhone 15 Pro to 50% in just 30 minutes, keeping you connected when you're on the move. Plus, the battery pack itself can be fully charged in under 2 hours with an 18-watt PD charger. The convenience doesn't stop there. It supports pass-through charging, so you can charge your phone and the power bank simultaneously. Designed for iPhone 15 and older series, the Baseus Power Bank is tailor-made to work seamlessly with your iPhone 15, 14, 13, 12 series, ensuring a perfect fit. It won't obstruct your camera, and there's no overhang, especially for iPhone 13 and 12 mini users. No more, no less, just right. 6,000 MHz capacity. Size matters, and the Baseus Power Bank strikes the perfect balance. It's nearly the same size as other 5,000 MHz MagSafe compatible portable chargers, but with more battery capacity. The 6,000 MHz capacity provides just the right amount of power to fully charge most iPhones once. When you're on the go, every inch of space counts. The Baseus Power Bank is nearly the size of a credit card, making it incredibly slim and pocketable. It's a must-have for travel, measuring just 9.746.381.47 centimeters. Plus, the contact surface is made of soft silicone, which not only keeps your phone secure, but also ensures it won't get scratched during use. This Baseus 10,000 MHz foldable kickstand wireless portable charger is designed with both portability and capacity in mind, making it the ideal choice for your charging needs. The Baseus magnetic battery pack features a lightweight, compact design that fits effortlessly into your pocket or bag, ensuring you can take it anywhere you go. With a substantial 10,000 MHz capacity, it can charge your iPhone 13 1.8 times, ensuring you stay connected when you need it the most. When you unbox your Baseus 20-watt kickstand battery pack, you'll find everything you need to stay charged on the go. The package includes one Baseus 20-watt kickstand battery pack, one 1.6-foot USB-C to USB-C cable. One of the standout features of this power bank is the foldable stand, which allows you to adjust it to multiple angles. Whether you're watching videos horizontally or reading vertically, you can enjoy the perfect viewing angle. The power bank's strong magnets securely hold your phone in place, and it automatically detects and charges your devices without the need to press a power button. For optimal suction, it's recommended to charge with a MagSafe phone case or without any case. The Baseus Magnetic Power Bank offers the flexibility to charge 2 devices simultaneously. It provides SW MagSafe style wireless charging and 10-watt USB-C wired charging. When charging your iPhone alone with wireless charging, you'll experience 7.5-watt charging speed, while USB-C cable charging can go up to 20 watts. The power bank's small volume and large capacity make it easy to hold your phone while talking, taking photos, and more. The stand is constructed from a sturdy metal-like material, while the non-slip silicone bottom ensures it stays securely in place on your desktop. With a USB-C port on the side, you can charge your phone and power bank simultaneously, ensuring you're always prepared for whatever your day holds. The battery-powered LED indicator provides instant feedback on the battery level, keeping you informed at a glance. But wait, there's more! Baseus offers a range of power banks, including 6,000 MHz, 10,000 MHz, and a massive 20,000 MHz power bank, all equipped with 20 watts of fast charging. The 20,000 MHz power bank, for example, can charge your iPhone 15 Pro Max a whopping 2.5 times, ensuring you're never left without power. One fascinating feature of the 6,000 MHz power bank is that it's airline approved, allowing you to carry it with you even on flights. Its lightweight and compact design make it the perfect travel companion. In conclusion, Baseus PowerBanks provide the perfect blend of convenience, versatility, and power for your charging needs. Whether you're on the go, simply need a reliable backup power source, Baseus has you covered. Stay charged, stay connected, and enjoy the convenience of Baseus magnetic power banks. If you found this video helpful, do hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. This is Enoylity Technology, and we will see you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.